Hi Samiksha, this is Shruti.
Hello.
What were your career aspirations while pursuing BTech?
So my career aspirations were like I'm into an industry already at AMNS India. So when I usually interact with all my stakeholders, I see like there are a lot of like manual activities which are being conducted. So in order to fulfill that, I was having a metallurgical background and I also have an MBA. So I thought that I like somewhere in this automation field. So I thought of joining this at Namtech, and I think all those facilities are making me well equipped to do some better things in my industry in the future.
Okay. So how did you come across Namtech? Because ITMB और Namtech उसका कोई नाम नहीं था पहले. सब लोग usually MTech और MBA के बारे में बात करते हैं. So how did you come across Namtech?
So basically, this was an education initiative by AMNS India. So we kind of all people of AMNS India, we received the mail. So already I saw that it was at IIT Gandhinagar, and I'm already an alumni of this institute. And I talked to some of the members of this, and I got an idea like, yeah, these are the kind of machines and things which we'll be working with. So that kind of motivated me and urged me to go ahead with this plan.
So do you believe that Namtech will secure your career path?
So it's like almost 2 trimesters are going to an end. So I think it has already secured my path. But the thing being, I think these all subjects which we are being taught here, like it's not only related to automations, but the type of subjects which they're teaching, and the faculties particularly having, a kind of breed mix from abroad also. So I think it's definitely going to secure my path in terms of contributing much more in the industry. The contribution matters. We'll be learning it, and how we are going to put it into applications, it will come into picture once I'm back in industry.
Yeah. So how was the Singapore immersion program experience? And about the 2 major campus, how did you feel about it?
Oh yeah, then that's a very good question indeed. Like it was my first time visit to an abroad institute. It was awesome indeed. And first of all, things like from arranging every kind of facilities, starting from the transport facilities to the food, and the way it was arranged and planned, it was an awesome. And leaving aside studies obviously at abroad are good, but rest of the facilities I enjoyed a lot. And also visit to the nearby places. Yeah, it was great. It was awesome.
I have one more question. So while manufacturing is considered as a male-dominated field, why did you choose manufacturing as a woman?
It's a very good question, and that always motivates me to answer this. So being a girl, there is nothing that we can't do being a woman. So I have already been into industry for 2 years. So we obviously visit sites, and I, as a girl, always want to visit site rather than doing desktop jobs. So manufacturing, it's nothing like women can't do. The way it's being, like mapped into the society that women can't go into manufacturing, things aren't as such in real. So what motivated me? I was a metallurgical engineer from BTech. So metallurgy means I have to go into a steel industry. That was my interest. So that what motivates me and inspired me. I'm still, and I want to continue in the future at industry as well.
I have one more question. How is your life out of your hometown and your comfort place at Namtech? How do you feel?
So it's a very tricky question, being a homesick person. So I have almost like spent 8 years in hostel life. So, and I was already staying here during my MTech days. So I'm quite much adaptable to this place, and I'm quite, like I know this place much better. So I think it's very good, and the kind of facilities and the care which we are also being taken care of by Namtech, I think those are very good. Yeah, like the usual responses which come. How is the life going? How is the food and everything? I think it's enjoyable here. And also the sports facilities and everything. This keeps us well engaged apart from our academic schedule. Yeah, being over here.
So I have one last question. Are you happy here?
Yeah, like I'm feeling very happy. Like although it's a sabbatical leave, but I'm feeling quite enjoyable. Like I am recalling my college days indeed. Yeah, it's amazing. Yeah.